front of me is LENOVO Tab M11 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and hitting this button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used this before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and allow in the second one. Then also the third one. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same big button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on this icon on the left. To end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right. Now, to access a list of all your recordings, click on those three lines at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Select Rename at the bottom and type in wherever you want to. So sorry, I misclick. Then tap on Finish. To delete it though, you need to hold it again, but this time choose this pin on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!